everyone on this gorgeous, gorgeous day. Oh my God, the sun is shining and I am loving it. How's everybody's energy level when the sun finally comes out? Oh my gosh. Oh, we need it. We need it here to stay. So anyhow, I just wanted to pop on here and go over illuminators with you guys. And the basics of illuminators, the two different types. We have creams and we have powders. I just wanted to go over the colors so that everybody's clear as to what they're getting in their illuminator. And it's a personal preference whether you like a powder or a cream. Everybody's a little bit different, but they're used in the exact same areas, the exact same way. Yeah, and they're just really fun. They're meant to add sparkle and shine and add to your dimension in your makeup. A lot of women love illuminators, not only on their cheekbones where their blush sits, but also as eye makeup. They like it as eyeshadow or just at the brow bone is lovely. Your Cupid's bow is nice. Some women like it just on the bridge of their nose slightly. Some women like it on their chin. You can accent your contour with illuminator. It's really just a personal preference. So I just wanted to talk about the colors here today, and I'm gonna go over them with you one by one. And I'm gonna start with Mirage. And these are our cream illuminators that I am showing you here. And I'm just gonna show you on my arm, and this is Mirage. Okay, quite lovely. So if you have a darker tone to your skin, Mirage is going to be really ideal for you. It's pretty, it has like a sun-kissed glow. It's almost got like a bronzy look, but with a little bit of sparkle in it. It's quite nice. The next one is going to be Glamorizing. Very pretty as well. A little bit more on the gold side and a little more muted down. Okay, you guys can see that. And it's quite nice. And, you know, consider too the fact that depending on what your skin tone's like if your skin's quite light or your skin is quite dark, all the colors are going to appear differently, right? On everybody's skin. So this is just a general idea. This next one is Honey. Honey's quite pretty. Okay, you guys can see that. Really, really nice. And then the next one is Pearl. And Pearl has a bit of a pink shimmer to it. It's quite pretty. It reminds me a lot of Starlit in the powder illuminators. And then the last one that we have is Rose Gold. Quite subtle, quite pink, but very pretty. Can you see that? I can see it on my skin. Okay, and those are our cream illuminators. Beautiful, just gorgeous. Now I'm gonna show you the powder illuminators on, I guess, this arm. Starting with Georgia. Oh, I'm just a little bit partial to that one. I wonder why, right? So this is Georgia. Sorry, I should show it to you. It is a little bit more of a gold base. Okay, really nice. The next one that I'm going to show you is Glamorizing. This one here. So nice. Beautiful. Now I put that on quite heavy. So when you're using it, you're probably not going to use it that heavy, but yeah, it's really pretty. The next one I'm going to show you is Photoshop, more of a pinky tone to it. It's quite lovely too. And last but not least is Starlit, and it is very fun. I really like Starlit. Got a really pretty pinky base to it. and that's Starlit. Okay, and those are our powder illuminators, and these are our cream. Yeah, so just to refresh you guys on placement of your illuminator, I will show you. I'm going to go in with, I guess I'll go in with Starlit, just where that goes, and I'm going to use a nice fluffy brush. You can use your finger as well, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit on my brush, and it just goes right at the base of your blush line. And I have a lot on there actually. So you just get like a really nice shimmer. I probably have more than enough on this brush right now. It's also pretty up here at your brow bone, right? For a little added sparkle. And you could actually use it like on your lid as well, right? It's whatever your preference is. Okay? And some women like it right at their Cupid's bow. Oh, got a lot. And voila, that is Illuminator. So for those of you that were curious about actual tones of the illuminators, the colors, the accent, it's all a personal preference. And a lot of times you just judge it based on the tones of your makeup that day, maybe what you're wearing, and however you want to accent things. So have fun with Illuminator, and catch you soon. Ciao.